Hi, come on in. Today we are going to dive into the magical third loop. This is the secret behind this gorgeous sort of knit-like line that we often see in today's crochet. And this is made onto a cup cozy, and you can just see it has pushed forward these two lines here and made that nice little detail. I'll show you how to do this. So normally when we do this, we work in the round, but it can be done on the flat as well, and I will show you that too. So what we're looking at is our first loop here and our second loop, and that forms our V. But our third loop sits just behind that, and you can see it right there, these little lines right there, these bumps the whole way along the back there. Now obviously this is the back of our round when we are working in the round, slightly different for when we are not working in the round, but I'll show you that in a minute. So often this is used with half double crochets US or half treble crochets UK, but I'm just going to use it with the US single or UK double today. And what we're doing is we are looking at our stitch here. We are looking for that back loop right there. So put your hook through, yarn over, pulling it through, yarn over and pull through too. And it just pushes that loop forward. And again, you've got your first loop, second loop, and that line right there is your third loop. Through, yarn over, pulling it back, and pull through too. And you just continue that round, looking for that third loop right there. Hook through, yarn over, pulling it back, yarn over and pulling through both loops. This is just making that same, pushing it forward so you can have that detail on your crochet. So that is your third loop. So that's first, second, and right there is your third loop that you work into. Let's have a look at it on a straight piece of work now. So obviously on the straight piece of work that we have here, if you're working in the round, we would be carrying on and working so that this would be our third loop right there. However, we're not doing that because there's no loop here at the back for us to work into. Our third loop now is on the front, right there. So what we're going to do is to work into that loop. If we have a look, what we'll be doing then is actually pushing them the other direction. And so we're working into this horizontal one right here at the front, very much the same as the other, but it looks like the front to us this time rather than the back. So this is UK half treble crochets that we're using this time, or US half doubles. So yarn over, in through that horizontal loop right there, yarn over and pull back, yarn over and pull through all three. And again, you can look at it from the top. You've got your front loop, you've got your front loop and your back loop, which make up your stitch, but the third loop is this horizontal loop here. So we'll work our stitches into there, yarn over and pull through all three, and again into this horizontal front loop here, which is actually our third loop. And again here, I'll do one more. So you've got your stitch up here, and this one is here it's at the front this time rather than the back because you're not working in the round. Your stitch, and here your horizontal loop again. The same horizontal loop made by the stitch the same way as it does in the round. And if you have a look, it's making the same detail as you can see here. It is pushing that loops forward to make that ridge detail so you can see the whole stitch along the front here. And that's how you crochet into to your third loop. It's perfect for adding detail to your crochet projects. You're not changing your stitches, you're using the same stitch, but it just changes it up and helps to make beautiful detail and really helps the look of a piece. Once you know where to find it, you'll just be wanting to use it all the time. If you need to, pause, go back, have another look at how you do these two slightly different variations on it. We're still working into that same loop. On here, it just happens to, because we're working in the round, it's at the back. And on this one, because we're working back and forth, it's the same stitch. This is on here, but on this one, it's on the front. It's the same stitch that's just on the front instead of the back. And you can see it, especially when you look at it from the top, you can see that loop right there. So that's your stitch, and the loop is right there. That's your third loop on the flat one. I think sometimes it's easier to see it on the, where you're working in the round. You can see it quite easily there sitting at the back. And as I say, we do most usually use it in the round stitching, where we're going back and forth. It simply sits at the front and we work into it there. Hope this has really helped you. Thank you for joining me, for keeping me company. I'll see you in the next one.